Hey guys, it's Kiki. So today what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I get my perfect glam brows. I'm going to be doing step by step and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys would like to see how I do these brows, go ahead and continue watching. Here are the things that you're going to need. I just plucked my eyebrows. After I tweeze my brows, I use the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I put a thick layer on, massage it in back and forth, and then I take a towel and wipe it, and residue, just leave it on there. And of course, brush out your brows into your shape that you just made. The other things you're gonna need is just an eyebrow brush, preferably with a spoolie on the other end, unless you have an extra spoolie. I use eyebrow powder. You can do what you want, but this tutorial is going to be for eyebrow powder. First thing you want to do is with your eyebrow brush, I have just a cheapy eyebrow brush, so I have to actually do like this. Get it as skinny as you possibly can. We're going to outline our brows. First thing you want to do is go along the bottom, and if you have eyes like me, make sure you get that hair that's right here, because that could mess up your brows. And you just want to follow your shape. And I know a lot of people don't like when people do their brows like this, but the reason why you don't like when people do their brows like this is because people don't blend them out. This is for perfect brows. This is not for my brows that I do when I'm not wearing makeup. You want to go up on the top and follow the same shape that you just made. Now my natural brow goes lettered. What I do is I like to round it out. How it's rounded out. I also have a little bit of the residue of the Pond's lotion, so it helps with cleanness. I can just swipe and it's clean. From the ends, we're gonna start filling it in really dark. See how I kept it really dark all the way through? I know it looks crazy, but the residue in the brush, we're not getting no more. We're gonna go on the inner part, and that's what's gonna give our side a natural look. And on the inner part, we want to just drag up and around. So it's still a little bit harsh, so we're gonna take our spoolie and just brush. Since we're using powder, that powder is just gonna brush right out. You see how much lighter it just got? Now we're gonna get a little bit on the brush and dab it off and continue with our strokes. Now it doesn't look bomb yet, but I'm gonna do my other brow and I'm gonna show you guys how I conceal. To conceal the brows, I use a brush like this, just a flat eyeshadow brush. Okay, so with concealing, all you're literally doing is going under the brow and on top of the brow. So under. I always start off way under because that gets most of the concealer off, so I make sure I don't mess up my brow. Now mind you, on top I really don't pay as much attention to because you see how it looks weird. I'm gonna fix that. This, and I blend it in to right here, and then I blend it out like this because we are gonna put foundation over it, so it doesn't even matter that we have this light halo, because we're not going out like this. Trust me, I'm not one of those. So once we have this concealed like this, we're gonna go back into our powder. This time we don't have to thin it out. Our brow, first off, I like to darken at the ends, and then on top we're just doing anything we have to do to make the eyebrow look a little bit more natural. You see that? Compared to this one looks natural, but this one is glam natural. And then also too, at the end of the video, I'm gonna come in with like full face of makeup. You guys will see it in the intro. I'm gonna have a full face of makeup on, and you guys will see like the brows in depth. You also just want to do what you gotta do to blend out this front. Okay guys, so I have all my makeup on. The only thing is I haven't blended around the brows. So this is how I make sure my foundation makes my brows look bomb. The foundation that's already on the brush plus the foundation from the forehead, we're gonna blend that in the middle here, so you see that's darkened up already. And then we're just literally just gonna blend around our eyebrows. So now, as you can tell, we're all blended in the forehead. Thank you so much for watching how I do my perfect brows. Honestly, they're really easy and pretty quick, to be real with you. While recording, it kind of take a long time, but on a day-to-day, like, that's the easiest part of my makeup, hands down, other than doing lips. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs it up. If you would like to see my other videos, go ahead and go over to my channel and watch those. There'll be 2 videos here. One of them is going to be the last video that I upload. The other one is going to be the video that YouTube recommends you to watch. So yeah, go ahead and watch those. And if you like me in general, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Love you guys. Bye.